Hey everyone, Mike Vecchione from MarineMax here in Danvers, standing on the all-new Boston Whaler 28 Vantage. This boat here has got the 300 V8 engines with joystick docking. Coming aboard, a live well in the back of the boat, and then you have the fold-out transom seat as well, which is really nice. And then the 28 Vantage now has a dive door over here, which is a nice feature, and there's a dive ladder that goes on there as well. You have two in-deck fish boxes on both sides. Moving forward, you have a starboard side seat, a little wet bar with a sink, and flip over cutting board. Same type of seating over here. We have your little lever that goes down, that folds all the way down so you can sit facing backwards, or you can flip this piece up, sitting forward as well. On the port side over here is your head compartment with a vacuum flush head and a freshwater sink down there as well. At the helm, again, this has got the joystick docking, flush mounted Marine chart plotter with radar, fusion stereo system, vessel view, and then the remote for spotlight and your Marine VHF radio. Nice helm seat with flip up bolsters. Moving forward, this boat here has got the bow filler cushion. There's a freshwater shower up at the bow as well, with an anchor windlass. And then underneath the console, you have a wind door, and then plenty of storage down below as well. So that's a quick walkthrough on the 28 Vantage. Any questions, feel free to call me at 781-395-0050. Thank you.